Hi friends, my name is Nandita. I am from Andhra Pradesh.
Good morning to one and all. I wish you a happy Children's Day. Children, the Children's Day is celebrated every year on November 14th in the memory of the first Prime Minister of India, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, who born on this day in 1889. Fondly known as Chacha Nehru, has affection towards children. Once he said that he may not have time for adults but has enough time for children. This day is dedicated to children and raise awareness and empower children about their rights, care, and education. Children's Day was the first observed on November 28th, declared by Universal Children's Day by the United Nations, but after the death of Jawaharlal Nehru in the year 1964, the Indian Parliament passed a resolution to mark the first Prime Minister's birth anniversary as Children's Day. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was born on November 14, 1889. He considered children as the future of the nation and the citizens of tomorrow. The children of today will make the India of tomorrow. The way we bring them up will determine the future of the country. These words are said by Jawaharlal Nehru. Nehru was the man behind establishing institutions including Indian Institute of Technology, All Indian Institute of Medical Science, and Indian Institutes of Management. He was a strong advocate of children's education and worked hard for their rights. Children, let us see who started this Children's Day. Before 1964, India celebrated Children's Day on November 28th. The United Nations observed it on this day. However, after the death of Pandit Nehru in 1964, it was decided that his birth anniversary be celebrated as Children's Day. Along with being an able administrator, Nehru enforced the establishment of some of the most prominent educational institutions in India. His vision led to the establishment of AIIMS, IIT, and IIM. Nehru has left behind a legacy of education for the children of India. Let us see who called Nehru as Chacha Ji. There is no documented reason for Nehru being called Chacha Ji. However, it is said that his love for children was a major reason behind the coinage for this term. Another popular version is that Nehru was very close Mahatma Gandhi, whom he considered his elder brother. While Gandhiji was known as Bapu, Nehru came to be known as Chacha Ji. Children, let us see the importance of Children's Day. Children's Day in India is celebrated with fun events in the school where the children are present with toys, sweets, and gifts as an attempt to make the day special for them. Apart from this tribute, Children's Day offers to Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. The celebration speaks of children's right, care, and education. On this day, schools and colleges organize various programs like plays, competition, cultural events, etc. And sweets, books, stationery, and other gifts are distributed to children. Also, November 28th is celebrated as the Universal Children's Day as declared by the Indian United Nations. The day is remembered that every child deserves education, nurturing, and the best of everything. They are the building blocks of the nation, and hence the future of the nation depends how well they are brought up. To those who are now an adult, keep the kids inside you alive. Once again, I wish you a happy Children's Day.